Hello, my name is Trina and I garden in Zone 10. Today I'm going to be propagating my snapdragons. I started the seeds probably at the end of October, early November. And so today I want to double my flowers by propagating them. And so the method that I'm going to use is I'm going to dip them in a rooting powder that I bought on Amazon. It was only like $5.99. And I'm going to cut the clippings, maybe 2 to 3 leaves up. And then I'm going to dip it in the powder and put it in the 6 cell. So another option you could do to propagate this is just to clip them and put them in water. But I wanted to eliminate a step by just clipping it, dipping it in the powder, and it's already in the soil and not, worry about it. So hopefully this is going to work because this is my first time propagating my snapdragons. They're all white, and like anything else in gardening, it's all an experiment. We have different climates, just different watering, different soil. It's just so many different things that you have to do on every vegetable and every plant. And that includes the watering schedule and the fertilizing schedule. So let's start propagating. So this one right here is a very tall snapdragon. I probably shouldn't have kept it this long. That's why another reason why I decided to propagate, because I don't want to plant them outside right away. So this is going to allow me to have enough time, for the smaller ones to catch up. And then this one, maybe 2 or 3 more weeks to get back up there. And at that time, I might be ready to plant it out. We will see. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and 3. Going up 3 sets of leaves. Another thing, when you clip the snapdragons, it causes it to bush out more. So you just take a little bit of the rooting powder, like so. You want to make sure there's some on here. And it's also a good idea to have the holes already in here, because you could just go ahead and put it in. You don't want to just cram it into the container and wipe off some of the powder. So I'm going to just stick it in here. And I'm just going to pinch it a little bit at the top. And I think I'm going to take off the bottom leaves. And let's do another one. Put this back over here. Oh, this is a nice one to do, because that's 1, 2. I'm going up 2 on this one. And I'm going to take off the bottom leaves. And one more. I'm going to take one of the tall ones. And this one is very tall. And look at the roots. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this one looks like it's already bushing. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to take the bottom leaves off. dip it in the powder. I'm going to take 2 more leaves off of it. No, one more. Now that I have them all planted, I'm going to put it under the grow light. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.